Eto na mga idol, pag-usapan natin sa video ngayon ang anak ng tinaguriang Pinoy Sakuragi na si Mark Pingris na patuloy na umingay ang pangalan pagdating sa basketball. Walang iba kundi si Mick Pingris, 6-footer point shooting guard position. 15 years old pa lamang ang batang ito pero kaya nang dumakdak. Napaka-athletic ng batang ito, maasahan mo talaga, depensa at opensa. Maganda ang kanyang release ng bola. Panoorin natin ang kanyang mga highlights.
Play. I've seen him. I've been able to cover a game that Pingris. Yup. I've seen that coming. Yo, Pingris taking it from right. Oh, mamma mia! Yo, Pingris. This is huge. 14 to 23, 9-point game. Lovely passing time. And a huge rejection from Pingris. Ooh, come on now. Not in my hand, was he? Been able to kick it out. They're going to continue to move the ball around. Oh, mamma mia! Tracy's got that. Again, another huge rebound for Ping. Jersey number 88 all the way to the rack. Ping. Oh, how about that? Poised. He's composed. He's steady. He's not rattled. Oh!
Inside for two. That's a huge adjustment on their defense. So they must think fit to defend nila. And of course, up with another steal. Pingris attacking the hoop. 4 points now para kay Mick Pingris. Get some sense of rhythm. As right on cue, Mick Pingris.
Here, Nambio.